Today we'll be learning about how to fix WhatsApp voice message not working. Make sure to watch the video till the end to fix your issues. Now let's move into the video without any further ado. First thing first, open the WhatsApp application on your device and select any chats and try sending the voice message. So when you try sending the voice message, this box will appear that says that to record a voice message, you need to allow WhatsApp access to your microphone. This might be the reason why your WhatsApp voice message is not working because you haven't turned the microphone on the WhatsApp. So let's fix this. So for this, you need to go to the settings on your device and scroll down and tap on apps. At the top, select the app management option, and once every apps appear here, you need to tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. When you search and it appears, tap on WhatsApp. This will take you to the app info page of WhatsApp where you need to scroll down and tap on the permissions. Here you can see that I have not turned on the microphone permissions. So tap on microphone and tap on allow only while using the app. Let's get back, and in this way you can allow every app's permission here, because when you don't allow, your features on WhatsApp might not work. But the first priority must be given to your microphone to fix this WhatsApp voice message not working. Once you do this, let's come back, and your WhatsApp voice message not working problem will be definitely fixed. If that steps did not help you, then what you can do is tap on the storage uses and clear the cache of WhatsApp. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. If it is not yet fixed, then what you can do is go to the Play Store and check if there is any updates, because if your application is not up to date, that might be the reason because for your issue. So here you can see that my WhatsApp application has already been up to date, because I can see the button of open instead of update. If your application is not up to date, then instead of open button, you will be able to find out the update button. To update, you need to tap on the update button and easily update your WhatsApp application. The last thing you can do is restart your phone, because in your phone itself there might be the box which is hindering your WhatsApp voice message feature. So following this all the steps, you can easily fix WhatsApp voice message not working. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment if you have any queries. Then thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.